Yo, Charlie 24/7. I make catch yourself. Heaven, I'm gonna work on. Where smoothie shit. Charlie, man, no man said that. So fucking, I'm zero. Charlie, man, power map on them last year. Media grown up, me pese sana. Media buy very like. And I make catch yourself. Can't be a shit. And you can't be a one way. Can't buy on my bank traffic. So on my bank that now me will check out one special flowers, huh? Tibibini, and to any of your radio. Special flowers near the other. A quabia will be a way, cabia, Mabion, cabia, shani, uncle, the Okonamha, the Obanamha, hey, Namisha Bruni. Smooth this shit. Hey, I this smoothing that chair, baby. I never do, nothing. This is smoothing. Manua money in a house. I see I made that money. Manim Kumbio. Medical coma for Bram, Manim Kumbio, and I'm saying I'm in fact, Mintinsi from Namini smoothie shit. Your farm cabby and shiny. I see I'm on a more Chile, may enjoy or have you. China catch us a quite be a one week. I see a mamma or Bia or Baby and shiny or Kugan and Penny for saying a chichu crew. You free help on Median, not the Oban Sudian. Life is good in heaven on earth. I'm in Shao Bibia. Challenge control, you know. Yo. Sorry, thank you. I appreciate, man. Challenge, I'm in Shao Bruni. Kromha. Now it's just a quack one with your form. Now special flowers. Hey. Anyway, it's gotta be high, man. Challenge, and a fake life. Cause champagne, me chelo heavy, no me uti. Mame muamu. Let me help there. Fake ass nigga bloggers, no majiji scarfing for they are trying to bring Chinny Jonas down. It's not going to succeed because listen, Omo mutie no grand and is me that one tiana me that munti no mutie mi. They are listening to the truth. Tiria me catch you know whether I'm sleeping on the floor, I'm sleeping in the sky, I'm sleeping in anywhere wherever they found me. Sleeping, they don't give a damn. They are talking about accident now. And no of a cool one can I consona Jimmy Munye Crony ya Mufini ban. They are talking about and crano mutete from now, Munya Akunya Sontanano. Listen to what I'm telling you attentively, man. They are worried about a Jumana ye been a discaneto Fima show for Dubai, ne. I had at least the Gone wine, I'd be to top VS Mormon. I'd be Siso Mumba Kugo Bruche to feel Mumma Bruchenia. That is their worries. And nobody care about wherever I sleep, wherever, whatever car I drive, whatever, no. Now me catch was a special design, special heavy now no. You check book money the bet you be new over heavy no my enjoying the special design. Life is good in heaven on earth. Form now me catch was a glass in Confibia will be an asher for abdo for man so one could not come near the other. People be on top from chilling. Nobody give a damn about me. And the amo ye bien Kosiaga. And I'm more of no. This video now I buy. I mean, him said 2020 and 2019, 2018. I'm not too sure about that particular day. Obi na share me and I do me the warm up over. And also yeah, Juma a neighborhood no. And I'm so very nice. And also Charlie Lamborghini no, Lamborghini no. Coach me. And I say, oh, this guy is so funny, man. Oh yes, I coach him, baby. I'll take coach me. And I'm so Charlie. Me heard the way. Energy ne pressure ne bana almost me my pressure don't am si Charlie me tana me car no man no manya views na man kofu ahwe me dey pay views keke e ba sa na enti me the car na pay views say be ya dom no be ba behu no ma ba betie no kre ti dey make catch on am catch that one to relax for him to relax and am car sa kire ne keke enti say me dey me tana me car mu dey pay views na say also nti asia. And into a fake life. So this is what I'ma tell you. Corner Quatina $1 million scam. Oh Quatina ma. Listen. Now the video 1 hour pay. Me your video 1 hour. Your video 1 hour pay. Your video 1 hour pay. Your video 1 hour pay. Special design of garden near the other. We have video 1 hour ni we are. Me make $5,000 this year no kwa. What do you say? A Lamborghini, a Rolls Royce, a Bentley, a different car. Be also a blogger. Abroche high car ne buofo na onyobia na odabontin obi ka no akosira trem kosira obi die ana ko han bi na tena mu ana wa pe just 1 hour na fa ye video wo ye video ni wi a Ghana fo nyina se wo Europe wo hin o blogger bia ye video wo wi a Ghana fo nyina hu se wa ye video I am going to give you $5,000 free of charge this no kwa man fam wa beso camera si wanim se twene Jonas ma ye video no wan fa sika na ma na Ghana fo nyina huru me se me dwamanum I am going to give you physical cash $5,000 mema was mo bia me na hia me Times Square na me di sika na hia nsem no akan na me di aba life just do it for me and that's it. I'm going to get you I'm gonna get you because me was kinda me when fanye. And this time no, I just want to prove to you guys that you can also do better. Just do something in the car. Na Ghana for soon. Why? Na judge me no because me and I'm in charge $5,000 this year no crap. And the amo ya fat because my people don't follow me because of my cars. They follow me sometimes you know. I am situation na mama de car ne ba. Even Fufunu started ya we ye de nyina no da bonti nyina. I didn't show my car until say me bad life na nsuo na no ye den na my bad life for wie. Watch the full video. Watch the full video and moreover I don't drive and do videos. I never do that. I don't do that, man. And so any bought me too much. And I'm saying no, I got no option, man. So I gotta sit in my Bentley. My $1.5 million Bentley because basically yeah me park car ni si kwa say dem park and dem park Lamborghini si kwa ho ya sana ya me park no na say ma me the warm up na but that na nsuo na no de do and I me kra na before say me ba life medical fresh the door so nhia me ne enko one of the TV stations for enwuma ya the aba no menwum na me the aba me ko promote and lucky enough ne move car for some couple of minutes and I say the door unity me hu no and I'm a fan no be drive na kwase ampanyini me ne makura na ma me Ghana nyina me won kro mu di machi me movie producer I has the same thing say the door makura me ba no ti me ne nam no na me say drive na me say ye video does this make sense? No, I have to make him drive me ba no he's my son. Everybody odi machi bia makura including a mabro from mana muhu boys ni nyina why bibini why hwan ni obi ai makura me I don't work for no one. Everybody work for me. Ti me kan ye ti so hu se me ni obi na ma pa frɛ ni bisa no se oye me de oye makura wasi ampanyini na me ka cho se ayi edan bia glass nkwa wa obi atakwa me na bia no first study wa fomu why na me ka cho se reform people bia nto why ti obi a odi machi bia makura me ni obi a ono no chen me enante. How is it going to work? Obi a take you orders from na me catch every 1 minute bia bola car na muni ane ale. Enti wow we so pay $5,000 at the aseno no. Just do it. San Rolls Royce him, san Lamborghini I worth $1 million. Some say for Abroche to be considered big car na their video. Yes. Go and do the same thing for Ghanaians to know. What's the opinion in here? Say possible. I mean, up to 1 week. After 1 week, Obi and me idea, Obi and find the question can and prove to me that Jonas was doing fake life. $95,000 difficult. Did you say no? Now me got you as a reform people be and to every 1 minute be a my vaccine namu. Radio crown Tony Che bibini. Samre bibini water che won foot to radio say life is good, man. On na special way na phone free. Glass in Kwan. Let's make it clear once and for all. If you have the money, do as I said. Maybe what's cantina my yanyum, maybe say the door yanyum. And I'm there to TV so America, and I'm the many so FM station or America. and ye Ghana ni bia ni wa born in America e me nko amenyom ti the American because me dey promote to Ghana because my next Ghana we got to be on radio and TV station in America. It takes a lot. Even a fumu okra no tamani ye wo kra ye movie adwuma na me kobo me movie advert for TV so me 60 million Ghana sikam any 50 million na me sana na me tia the promote to me movie. A fumu mpono no. And you come and then you are talking about the United States. But I say me was canteen me joy be nyum glass nko. And I say Ghana ni a oye musician na oto nyuma na nyum ye good bia me de ono so beba Ghana. We me de ono so beba heavy num no abeye nyum. And I make catch you say perform people bia nto na me catch you say glass nko na hwe obi fie obi dam no ne mpa ne da ho no. Nempa ne da me pese me twa kese ani abontini glass nko a kromfo bi ani anu abebo no aya ze mo minye twa na obi dam sa de mintu twa obi dam na wo hwe yo ofofie glass anti mamo man enya no back and forth ni emre wa ade we ho Secretary Jonas Jana num abruchiro ba aka ne han ye ize na ne han ntikwa han bi obetimi han Bugatti, Rolls Royce, Lamborghini, Bentley han bi o de car $1 million bi han bi na de be life room na je $5,000 this year no kwa I'm going to give the money to you for free. But see me na me de me honam se me car no me de ba be pay views. I know police cheme min kodi obi ire min kodi obi ba no akese ne ya cheme min kodi obi min kwaje police she bia sika mi bi ni bia kura ni me enti wo che me ne ya ntura mi twa na ya de ade ye bi na me mouse min che sika na dise no it's fake life na me live no just live single fake life for one day pe na min che $5,000 na dise no kwa me da mo sika nko a me ba kura min tum me sika mi hu dia me mfanya na me sisa bi nche na dise no why sika nko a me hu dia me mfanya ko me nya manya sika na wie ndina me ga say me promote to Ghana no na me ga cho say glass nti wadu ye say me ya nwom dia be sika dia ya ma o yare me mu me ntimi ni una wonim ahia wa na odidi o me ga cho say fie bia glass nko and here one I did the whole day made the smoothie shit and then another be a coffee and shit mean to me ni did you and here what they say here one now journey bro nsem jam we are ojene kwa be pass way akọ anim na hwe nipa da sani krom heaven na mu na hwe no people be anto from nipa na edi akọ ni aba no asiam panyin ye ka no kra kire ma obi anta obi a o we want the best and I'm control final Jawale dibo no man so medi matem me di watem na do ho ba forever and ever until say me amakoma beto me yama me jawatem ni die no obi antimi stop me o fa ba bi enye ye fufufu no ne ho ba ye en na da bia me da so gina ne so no ti me di watem a opa na wa ye dan opa no aye dan no wanu atum nya say me di watem na do ho ba fe na me be di ne kese kwasi akofo ado ne ai mama no kura mi di o matem mi gina o so we se kwasi ampanyi bia ono no nam Ghana o yesi mi suro obi on ya ma mo yare em ka jo se heaven na mu na mo hwe no ujimi nso a me nkura ne be ba na ka se ujimi na me nkura ne be bo a me na medi animu ama o ma be bo say the door na e be di animu omo de etuo ne to ahwehwe o mama so ama o mama honho no ne ya begya wa to ka ho ba bi u pie firi wa besu ya nyansa kwasi ampanyi ni o de ko police station o free afuomu and buy ono ye no krom ha ye ni ba bi ya de ne ko jama yare o nyame hira obi bi azo tie no kra some this shit amega just a reform heavy na mu na ho no antika we esi we e dan uru ama fridge wom bedroom wom bibia wom be chese bibia wom o e dan company bibia wo bibia e dan car na esisi oni na e dan enti wo he na untimi tie no kra we nya by force and man say wa won follow me no agya tie because nya de say akufo adu Jimmy na me ma Medina tem me ntimi nka se me jai wa Jimmy kwasia ya tenafuo mu abra nyansa keke ade wa bia esiment ni anwea boys nso tifie mu nya adwuma nya bola kai ena ekwa asisa bola de ntia pipa bi efi ni ha ni bola kai na ekoi ena namu every 1 minute bi aban ba se namu ye betimi ya bi na ma Jimmy na ma mu asi mbejam da bi na my friend opa akwaji sika untimi defeat no kre no amount of lies Thierry Amekano can defeat single truth. And I mean, I don't give a damn about whatever you say. Me found cry no Jimmy, massa. Yamin show be a glass in one. Wow, be at a crime in them, be an offer study. We na me na the goma 4 boys, you know. Me sure se manya dinu correcta. Me no masi. O matie no cry to the stand saying. Omo MP kwasi ampanyin no se DCO se wan kwasi ampanyin no esisa emu boto de begu ho se omonye emu no omo hwe nanim sa na omo sisa emu ni sa de gu ni pick up se fa kwasi anim fa omu ko na nya mukura na magimi a se ka mo fa mi adwuma kwasi akwa me despite ni na mafuo mu no adwuma no wabiye o kwaku oti na mafuo mu no adwuma no wabiye every 1 minute bi ambulance na ko anything no mu wasika mo ese mne no mwa I am I'm to the country. You got option, man. To go ball and free. This time ni year you forever and ever. Maybe a cabana tare. Oh yeah, Juma huh? Samre bibini as yogurt, fine yogurt. Once yogurt so at baby to dame. At baby to dame. Nyon system ninye. Enti me kwaku ati ko opa ma kwaku ati ni ahya ofo ni nyina. Enya masem oni di tesibu achi oni di obi a enya masem. Obi a nkoto abama no. Ti de me kan wono na di enya ni sika. And onya ni sika no when yanse no and odi investment and ene sika na so aba no ada ni sika ni opa on to fie ma shawo for it his own cup of tea. I don't care about it. Onam ho no ga kwan no ho no ye dem konya sisi on case of say obroni nyansam no nim se nipa nante obebre obehia konya bi akom de obetre ba bi adidi ni ade ade tena se free o hwede enti se emoa no a school for that from no munya konya so ntina na we ya abonten keke tena so free a na me bana me di o matema na control fi bi ba no be ka se na twini Jonas no odi atem dodo on kanya nsasem na America no enam so wagimi nti why sa bi ba bi why sa abuwa bi ba nti on can the message I'm giving it out there, but he's rather going to focus on Jimmy na America so munya Jimmy no kwasi ampanyini kwan na V8 na yede $28 million ekoton akofa so no kwan ni nyina tutu de ntutu ye nso ayefia te se mensem me ai praye kura so chen wa Jimmy esa na broni bu ne mayan ka obeda nya sika de abeba obosia ono onya sika na de koto ka obeda nu asa nya sika foforo e de abaye ni kuro ya nya bi ama bi asonso kwasi ampanyini ko mote Penny Padders kuro me from car kwan nie na de hwa be pedestrian road the special flower we kura bibi egu car kwan keke bibi ni kura nya bi mfangu ne dem wa Jimmy esa ade wo ye nipa afom ha wutimi da ahakura feche bibi ni dem afomu na me catch us a glass in kwan and kufoma de dem a obi atakwa me dem afomu anu afested. Hi, how are you? I'm good, thank you. Have a nice day. Thank you. Auntie, sometimes when we talk Bronina Babechiame on say Odoni Pakama Ayecha Bibinina Bronina and you Surani Pasuri and one is Bibini. What Jimmy Mayanyum bloggers ya Ghana Nina and Kwasia for all the media platform in Ghana. Munyina Jimmy for minim se be ketwa bi nim nyansa but Jimmy for ne do so dodo. Trini Jonas have released a song that can make everybody be scared of Ghana. I've released a song, and this song that I've released, I have Ghana flag in the beginning of the song, throughout the song, which is amazing, which is enthusiastic, which is fantastic, which is going to sell Ghana name every 1 minute to the Abba cinema. Which is a type of music. Anybody from any type of African country see it or sees it, he's going to respect Ghana. Nobody's blogging it. Nobody's talking about this kind of quality music. They are rather talking about, say, Trini Jonas is living fake life. Now, I'm going to make car. Now, say, me say me the baby pay views I for be home. Yama yaron. Men I'm going to home. Now, say me say me when a bicycle be a baby or deco. Banging at the hono, banging in a glass in one. Banging a glass in one. Chromophobia and you bono. A moon no man in any glass in one. We know what my beer. And this is the only reason why you don't get followers. And my neighbor Trini Jonas no. Cannot crack it. Me say the reason why people come to follow me. They mo yebia. I feel cry that mo yes no didn't come for whatever. I feel cry no be follow me kese. And odi asante hina tem I feel cry na him for no cry be follow me kese. And I just say odi ayakufu ado atem I feel cry na akufu ado abusu am for be follow me kese. And whatever you do no, you think you are bringing me down, but you are rather rising me up, because the truth will always defeat lies. Open can throw and said, "Yay." Nipanitian trona for so many years. And don't bet no cranny say Kim afena na he. Which means that the truth have defeated the lies. So no amount of lies can defeat single truth. The message is one. Jessica Diana Fire Crony, Jimmy for and only I can watch them. And 2 times now grand where Jimmy what Trini Jonas Abra me Fesicada. Many of the minimum will be out town, will be no year, Obia, Menuian, and I'm waiting a bango, in a glass and quan. I'm a guy just every 1 minute to be a by Bassinum. Obia town will be no, I am not basically the minimum say, Ebi, I'm Menuian and I'm Menuian, free of Crabby at in Yaba. And I won't know Wabeji D. Chairman, and I be a Wabeneska Chairman, and I'm a Tamba in the case where buyer. Ocean your Facebook. See, the American blogger be any how sham physical. Or, but on sham physical, but now, but so on him a crab casa. No, none of the bloggers able social media be any home. And see, why do you create impressions? Say, be a minim Trini Jonas, na Lamborghini and Yanedia, on in a cohain. Menuna Mikoja near cohain. The other Naminune Koja Mikoja cohain by. Now, we catch a Ghana for say. This is a good message that you can say. But the case whereby you wouldn't me physical, who me crowd every 1 minute to be our ambassador. Now, Tinasi Casse, based on say, me make us a me car views. Based on that, until the NS Anatia Kano, a you be the animal picture, and I'm saying yes. Yampan say you be the animal picture. Me mau up to 1 week. Kwaji obi so the nature picture. Ewom na beje $5,000. That's it. What until then there obi amfa ni Jimmy Nkana no ntum. Minim say anya possible say obenya bi, because I me those million cars no kura anya common. Yeah millionaires no kwa na your access. Every 1 minute be our man bass them. Kwan be our be one way ni ani. Ordinary person can never get those cars. Anti opa koye bi ni ehwe. Oh, Mumfanchemwa, Manako Ketuabi, Mammy, I'm there to silence, but this is very important one. I'll finish right now. Yo, man. Yeah, I'm in the middle of something, so I think I'm gonna call you back. Alright, so which is why I'm gonna need them. It's up. No, you gotta do something about it, man. I bet. Alright. Are you lit? You lit? We still on it, so I'm gonna figure it out. I'll get back to you soon. So you be chilling, man. I see you. Bye. To your mum and I'm catch us every 1 minute to be a buying bus in Amunia. The system need yet Juma forever and ever. Hey, life is good in heaven on earth. Eti, Mesamo, I think I might need to go right now because I gotta do something very important and then I'll get back to you soon. Mesamo about life. Nama baby Jina Sankwasi no Sugan and Penny for this is a message to the criticism now. As a creating beginning one Jimmy on the downfall of Ninian or Shedabia. Say Obe say Obe Bibini be promote Ninia party. I just work with Jiska. One who never channel Obia ya dear near Beckham for just what Jihusika or Niska party any ya can come. And I mean, we am who can come my Jimmy become meno. And you'll be sick and a maple. Memen Casa Kofuadwana Mahama Obia funny Jimmy first come you. Almost come never blame me. They should use it to create jobs for the people. That's it. I don't need no idiot politician be listen to me when I will come to Ope Obisika and I will come to Kwamanu. I don't give a damn about any useless politician. From people and I don't need anything from nobody. You gotta understand what I'm talking about. I don't need nobody to do anything for me because I'm already successful. Yes, I'm trying my best, my possible best to help people. I help a lot. Anything I'm blasting penny phone because sometimes cars I'm the Ghana crown. Nipa no they call 50 million. Every okra 40 something million and nipa nje. I could do Ghana on horo nyahwe. E wo car no. Now we know babaji 600 million, 800 million. What about them? What do you hear, na car no cram to understand. I'm trying my best to help the people, but the difference between me and the so-called celebrities is that if I help anybody, I don't tell you. I'm not gonna say it. Listen to what I'm telling you already. I'm not gonna say it if I help anybody. That is me. That is me. And see now Ghana for now. Oh, and you'll be a no na so omubua. Bibini bia ni ho ni me. Every 1 minute be a my was in them. Then you'll be a GD, I'll be any man, sanity, you'll be a fans. And yeah, no, I got you. You can use me for any fans you want, man. I got you. And I got you. And you be I. But Susu job. Kase be our minina shiada, yeah, is you can do that. Minina chucha picture that man, but to the sense that, oh, minimum, minimum, you crown, I didn't buy one, I didn't buy a penny. Uni mobi o de me ba ya corner say nipa kro no onfo wabusi amfo mrabi wajimi ana okwa wo say chale wo na ade twini yo na se ko ya ntifa wo nso fa me so mabusi amfo ko bi na heaven mu ade wasi ampanyini ya no majimi say ade ade na me gacho say glass nkwa wa obi atakwa me na mbia no first study koko botton no hu de eduroni di beduru krom haye koko bottoni o ne de special design bicycle na abrofo mana yi am de chiri yo I'm the chile how heavy no near the other. I make catch you say nipper banyina people be anto from how heavy no. Ti unianom no abusi amfosum ho untime for mo mai. Ti amkodwo anum se wona be bogafo e wo Ghana na o ye do be kwa brochire omo de omano na de me bai na broni ma me so hwi broni am fana no anka o metua broni se bua no ma no me de ko minim se agro kra mu ya broni ni ma be si asantan me ba dan a me dam nyina asantan me dam free enuane nyina ba free bibia ba free everything is working na broni ni ma ba o pese oje hu ani monyam fa sa na ye dey eh ko bibini fo bi so bra na so je hu ani monyam kwasi ampanyini ti wo di me shia okwa ni me twa picture. Yes, you've gotten the opportunity to meet me and take the picture. That's a good luck for you. That doesn't mean say go and brag. Nyame sha obi bia so tie no kra me ni mbesi awai anti bibi ni bia ni me ni nyina Jimmy keka ene nkwasi akeka abrofo no kromu a wo ne kura sika no bibi ni ono ati kroma bia odipa broni nipa ono broni kura onye bebre nya adwuma mpo omo nananom fie na egu ayi om papa fie omo wesika sa ye be wo no ye biloni adada bigeti ba odi adwuma na okoye Amazon body adwuma no kwe e na sa nkofo no nyom nkwa na weska okromu eskafo akra che omo no omo no ye into IT ntin ye de omo information ba abonten et se Ghana nkofo bebre and weska che despite what TV station tin ya kasi skania obi atwene na no fia na despite on ka ho eskafo no kra 100 kra ni dinim Ghana sika 400 despite nka ho de me ka utie me cha sampofo mo ne azan penti mo ne ayi mu no mo na weska o e wa afuo mu ho munsia nyansa no na me ka cho se reform people bi anto why enti sa na tie me sremo eye me no mesia ti mu akom demofo no e na dede hunu na me ka cho se rafo na e taxi na mu na me ka cho se glass nko na me dede hunu ye de twini Jonas beba Ghana na ye be se ni nyina enkwase tobe politicians no kura ntimi nke sa kwase asem no nya so mo di agura United Nation ho no ye mo mu ngura obio kwase abroni na on ne papa kuroni no on me nenam me ne na move anopetu anwumre ne manam di omu free na wo be ka che me say wo na frafuo mu na ba de be na me ka cho se every 1 minute bi aban wa sinam ma be tre kuro mu bibi ni nkwa na tani ni bibi ni nkwa na ajimi o broni akuroni ya ne papa dia ne ma me dia onu ntimi nsofo nsi na nim so de obi be ko Ghana da ko mota wa be tre kuro mu abehwe so aye adwuma pesika no konya na sisi abonte tena so free wo be ha so aye adwuma pesika no na wa chili enjoy better life oti wana me de obi be ko Ghana wo ya aboa jama wo ya le on samu amukika sa no ya Ghana fo na mbetimi akika kire mu ukoka kire obi a onim law a ye beje o citizen influence am tiere ameka no mu amukika nkwase asem munyai se ukonya obi no pemanso onim law a ode obekwa me age o citizen influence am eye unu ko ye na omuje information na o passport no iba bi aya wo afiri no kroni din gusu ya wo firi Ghana efiguso Ghana born in Ghana and a good American passport. You him na se wo ye Ghana ni a say na wo kwase ampanyi na wo no wo free Ghana mom na aba na wo kase yemfa obi free anko ye beje afru nsem munsua nyansa ti bibini obedwini ni nua down force ana ode akonya problem kwase ampanyi ni wo bakro mu abrofu design software edi Daniel sikafo omo ye phone omo ye cars omo ye wei afom ha nyina wo hu ansuo to ye ablog ni anwea ni cement kwase ampanyi Ghana hemfa ni entu anwea wo behu sa no ma we untwitwa enda tira na shatawale me pena sam so ne ho ma hin by force no kwase ampanyi ko mote ye kwan na tutu ayeku nipa wo fa nkwa wu so nti ne haw na uno empanifo ni wies kan ye bo pressure no mde kakra ye kwan na okoya asema stop contractors who there what the hell are you talking about? You are going to stop contractors. Why Jimmy Pa men yes mistaken. Don't ever do that again. Antina me blasting rough. Say me my videos for so many years me money did that. Me money did me president. But that ayina we ye no man blasting about say ade be na fufufu no mo ne ayi enkurasefo ayi ahyawo celebrity fo ne kwatidie fo celebrities fo na omo nya akona omo hu nyanya omo anu tinsuo ayi da bia e wo Facebook ne Instagram ni ade no be say na omo so start Jimmy said tina me blasting serious pasi afo mo nya akona be abrofo mo fa bibini ayawo no kroma ana bibini ofrafuo mo abetena kroma wo hwe ne honam na system na nkasa ama ne honam na fresh pasi amukura fufufuru nti kura ma esia abibifo ana me pa mo adi o nyina sesia atimani so kura pasi akwa mo mi hu amukura na makan every 1 minute bia my ma sinam na me sha obi bia so tie na kura system ne ye adwuma forever and ever amen edi ma bro for my free life is good in heaven on earth chale me feel you about heaven mo una ase una ahwemia bra na beka de obeka me de me chile o na me ka cho se kwa mi ha bia one way heaven na munie mi wi amakotena mi Rolls Royce mi Lamborghini mi Bugatti mi Jirago mun ma chile mujimi amesa twaba wo be wunu awu mujimi amesa ko $2 aba wo be wunu awu any ever go to me I have security I'm on security 24/7 1 millionaire no na mo on security me na makura is somebody's job to protect me but tutu na rest when you can wa ya me sha obi bia so tie no kwe na me catch us the former nyina people bia nto chef for my special nipa na di akwani aba people bi anto heaven na mu na hwe system na ye adwuma forever glass nko a store bi a wa bi a ma ko wura mu nkyɛw glass nko a hwɛ wura ma glass nko a eto aso bed ye ho akɔnɔ kɛkɛ ha be yi no ma na hyehyɛ na so na mfa nkɔ special air condition hand sanitizer wo mo se mu hu a ɛbɔ na ɛbɔ wave sanitizer o abrofo man ho akɔnɔ ni ade so chilling kwa heaven glassing. Life is good, man. National Fanko. She are now Ubedru Kotoka International Airport. I will go to your COVID-19, $150. Now Ubedru na the original Somali corner a doom. Na doom. Na my Jimmy say na me Jina Muswa, Masumonti Asie. Chilling kwa. Special light, special blue, special glass in kwa, special masa be Italian afako. Special lighting. Special Nyamisha Bruni. Special lighting. Yo 24/7. Oya maminya na memfa munsia wa na. Ba bia fe keke, ha? Ba bia kono keke. Mami sensi form kura, mami sensi form. Mami dina so na mfa nko free, o wi sensi form na enua na ba adwuma ye ni o. Enua no timba ne ade ade no. E ba de broni di eni o. Siafo. Timesiramo. Nobody hate nobody, man. I gotta tell you the truth. Having more than the system is working 24/7. Nipa da sani Ghana kura no aba ai force ajesu so ya kanto ai pure water wura namu ice kenke wura namu ai antontom nyina awew ha akronfo up to betutu bottom ha concert party nko anyways me ko ai mami famusia enti besa me na me catch you say nipa na di akoni aba pipa bi anto nipa na di akoni glass nko an store bi a wa bi a glass and na be fro bass so out ya glass nko an bass ne beba bass TV boy em fa malam bi broni kwa ni ma de kwa friend malam konfo bi ani ha advert ne e company advert so re kwa ya adwuma kwasi ampanyini every 1 minute bi a ban bass ne nam enti mesramo to bring Trinidadians down there it's impossible. It's impossible. Opa, I feel so as a guy. Hi, how are you? Say hi to my friends.
Hi.
You see, I have 4.6K. Yeah, more people are watching you. Your eyes look so beautiful.
Thank you.
Yeah, I see you. Have a nice day.
You too.
That's your brother, right?
Yeah.
Say hi to them. Say hi to them. Yo. Hi, have a nice day. See you guys later, man. Abrofo man, no. Who nani no? Effect keke. We are crack 20 on them. Charlie, I'm doing pani idea. Bibi Ninkwan, I Jimmy, what are they to swear? Yeah, now become here. I want to catch you a champ. Every 1 minute to be our man. Opa for full cockage at SCR and I for Cossack. Obi Jash for my mom answer. But ya all no Pietro, comedian, no crowd. Yama Yarion, Samina Mino Cassani, Nempranum best 5 back couldn't go at you. The only feels when yes, come on a Kohoma. Pressure done so nothing I should crowd you or see when it's one more was young and somebody for. Telling I mean, shall be as a channel. A form more dear master, Yabero, must I know everything. Nothing meant to say for the name of Hammo. Oh, listen, they don't know anything. No, Omni Cromini. I could find you at Landis and Yakukun Nabisu was our mayor president. To on him more how we are on one call Yamans and Cromuda. I own him class, examine them no Cassay. Ya obi wo ha ono ne ba hye na chi ba ko bone boso kenten so no eja guso afen so no odo no de abiabie kwan sa ade abafie obeduru fie so a o se so apan akọ be 30 minutes na wa na wa akoso ansuo e de abanse na wa benu afufuo abedi awo kan de ama ne ma na me ka cho every 1 minute di aban bas onim sa na o ma ni nyina onim ane kro bi ko ye nyi no TV so no ono ahu bi ti ono onim enti omo no they don't even know the Ghana. They don't know Ghanaians. Tia betua ba nsa na ono otikam oba nyina wada wabre wa ni abelande ni ayi na pie no abeka nkwase abrofo no okọ na me ka cho say abrofo man ho akono ni ade people bi antofom nipa na eba nipa na enti omo no they don't know anything omo nim yo enti omo fizi omo ya de pa so say omo nim Ghana enti say de nim na enka oman no ahoto na ewo ahokyere na ewo kurom ka so ate aba what so ate 98%. Omunim San Mahama so ni papa minister o sede o anyinyini o tinkran hwa o tifie sika ni ba twi kra ne kan ye omuden titifie onu obehu se obi they don't see anything even o tinkran ho aboburoshi market kro nwura hoda tudu market ohun sede pa for the normal onim ni nyina they don't know so which is why but if they know say this is how people go through to struggle to suffer a bit kodo bad day and so much maybe school fees a bit kodo if they know all this eka omun tam sika ma fufufunu emunko omanfa mashawo for man ko good Dubai enko ye birthday mom abra a school for school dine and kasa debt trap. And from my ba, udi agrebe to make Ukraine na. Every 1 minute be aban bas. Tinsuo ni muna ye na. This Ukraine na aduane free school mo. Every nom so Ukraine ho ofani ade. Obia a beautiful human being. People bia antofom, obia ho akono ba bia kan bia ni ha. Ha? Ibi ni krom ba bia bon.
Plenty of stuff to do today.
Kejeti ana na man timi home, aduma ntimi home, circle ntimi home. Circle bon sa na baby bon circle bon on circle bon dia anu de ne enye bi ni kejeti ani adum bon no circle bon on at said ye wawura asieye kura hwamsen circle bon a bon circle bon for so many years can am pedi fo nyina magimi a bon for so many years what na circle 10 years na say unwuya. I just said, no, your lungs are very strong. Because the inflamana look, this is serious. Now, more so the campaign, do campaign time, and more baby go, they are doing campaign in circle. How bon? Obviously, the same story. Kwasiana Ghana, no, and the same story in Ekoso. And why you to fear my shit to Esbuachi with Isleguan. I did a better time, Moisha. Adiache beto ama Mesbel. The same thing. And what do you want us to talk about? Kwasia Joe Biden be 3 million jobs no. Ghana Akufo-Addo be bia. Thank you no so ye ba be kan say Akufo-Addo has created 3 million jobs. Into if Ghanaians man ko ye adwuma ne ye so mumu a ye be blast him because you blast your mama be adwuma dia. We are going to blast you for being lazy. But no, this is the case whereby there's no job. The other than no any pani inform you dedicate your bribe or friend nipa na ofie dada. The people who qualify they don't employ them. Every 1 minute be a bola council na namu. Have a flag in na bobo. Na so jafo aye rukutu omo ye de omagu fom. Be me kire broni o se meboa. Dogs cannot even sit on the mud. In the United States, I'm telling you, this is Abontini. So the soldiers, baby, omo tete no, omo call recruitment no. I want to say, omo team futrom. I showed to a white man, they never believed. They never believed. They never believed. They never. Until the Majimi Kurano, and we are timber in a channel. Anti broni ndi agushipum di ababe yese woni krom tia de na monso mumfa sa nua we bi kura mesisi wona soja fo ntina so eye dua o wawa odum sempele ni apai eye dua eye dua ni dia ya sisi eye dua minim dia wa eye dua look transfer free. Look. Oh, if I think about all this in here, now you're pine will come here, you're pine will be krom. No, nya kunya suntna. I see say the Bibini is sick. So how do you want me to say the thing without insulting you? We are there. You are sick. You are sick. I'm a Bibini a school for nya kunya santana will be Bibini out broni chrome and your big crowd in 98 years. Huh? Na Bibini no aye pai on chrome onya bi esisi wakwa we nya obi kwa man international. Yen obi man international de omo nan na gugu sopa. Ono akofa de agu shape mu. Ade aba. Na esisi wakwa. They don't even get people to sit on it. And now, hey, we move by on better. Anyway, it's alright, man. I said the because sometimes if I me dear China me yes. So all these things, and me know why is in goofy and you money be no employ them. Oh man, you be near Jimmy no man. Until these are some of the messages people want to hear from me. And you say, oh no, that bunting and the car. Debbie, look, Shani Pakrum, what the plywood, no, I have special flower, yes, you. Listen. So, sometimes I feel like crying. And to say, oh, baby, now, boy, and say, no, maybe my phone cry, and I'm say you'll be the Anipa Babaji, and to me, try every picture be a me show phone. I be needy or no, say, be or no, why Jimmy, I and if you because champagne, you would see a bruchina, Jonas, Buana, Bruchia, the Sorena Cotna Ghana. Sorena Cona only Ghana for one quote now. Namun kwa desu munantum tumnum nipa de sani krom yi ka do so che nipa o yenya ka kra man mfa kwanso kwan timi da ho saa for 30 minutes 1 hour yenya ka man mfa so han na bibini krom amma samman poku ase traffic tanno so atonsu ene Friday traffic e kira kra de na asem na sei na efunufo namu ayefo namu ya yese nwe no nipa ni nyina agimi panifo no esum parliament ni nyina agimi Tiwa wo say abrochire ne nya no court na Ghana kwasiati obi krom ekura yanwu wom ekom de wakwaji full stamp faculty di aduane di free. Now still you are complaining, you are sick. Are you an idiot? Nkonwa ne nyina enua wo eyenua including dustbin eyedua eyenua now see nyame amo ya nyame nya oden eyenua bibia yenua wo si nyame anya wo ye edua no so afiri krom na eba wo ya aboa. I'm sorry, I gotta tell you, we nyina yenua yom tisisu nyina yenua. Eyenua anyway, it's alright, man. Nyame shall bibia nyame shall bibia so tie no enti heaven no yesimu wu a oba ne wabusiamfo nyina ba no mabetra se na mo chele eno ane wa hayi oba ne wabusiamfo nyina betra se na mo chele eno ane wa hayi han ameka cho se heavy flag no se bo bibini na ogina hoyi na abrofo so na titi hoyi na different na ibia ne wa hayi yesi oh enti whoever is crying continue crying. I don't give a damn about anybody. I'm still gonna tell you the truth. But if one Jimmy and Baby do matem, Omuya the Palm Baby Boma Bass. Simple, that simple as ABC and DC MPP. Omuna Jimmy for Kwan the Sum Parliament or Omuya the Palm Mr. Chaka form. As long as Omunina Kwajiatumsi and Tokanema MPSA, Omun Wakas and Nibi Dada. Kenya de Japan crowd and the name Phantom and the driver Nikra, a car we use no a chain. Obi o bank manager a car na say more this can be adwuma some de kotoka de amu nyina magimi obi are from A to Z amu nyina am yankwasiafo wa wonte ase bia ko hyepo ena fufufuru sunsuo no wo wagum a devilish water. Nobody should drink it and nkonkonya ya de fun bia nya na abetu nuro e de akobie nsu ama Ghana fo abenuma kowu. Listen to me. Tisa mo hwa wo wogum. What you say or sanko for spams no achima friendsuo ebem to ama Ghana for in order to enrich herself, in order to be able to get power and to be strong. Asofo no so meba ebiso. Amonso the asori man ye sacrifice. Meba mo so information ba more. I'll come to you, all of you. Because you broni krom onye sacrifice be asofo bi ani asori koye adwuma nkwan ne wa. Aden na obi ayeye wo ha. Oba ya no abeyeye. Sori koye adwuma ne wa ha o. Sori anopa na ko adwuma na otwegi akatua. Every week you are going to get paid. And ya yetua obi aka. Yamisha Obibi Asotia no play. The system is working 24/7. Life is good in heaven on that glass in Team Samo. Don't worry, why won't team in Canada? When you follow, I know you may not understand, but my followers are purposely here to listen to the truth. Only truth, not about my shirt, my mouth, my nose, my eyes, my teeth, my everything. The only reason why I brought my car was that it was raining. It was raining. It was raining. And they be so say, oh, and an air condition crowd baby a share. No. People are irritated because Amu used to Toyota Corolla and one they don't know this luxury cars, you know. The one holding the steer and the man will be our other part of the car in access. And to say me person will be increasing AC. And mamia, this person gotta control it from the steer because one thing I be more than to steer no hono and I'll be pressing. And the driver need access to even lock all the doors. Driver need and unlock the door now. The driver has control over everything because it's a luxury and expensive car, bulletproof car. And whatever in it, the driver need access. You cannot do anything. It's Yamisha Obibi It's somebody's job. Bibi better from Biano no so apra. Obi adwuma no. Obi adwuma no. Enti mesramo mo a mo pese mo divert attention no. Mo pa mo attention divert mo divert ko menyum no so. Na mo promote menyum ye friend Trini Jonas. Glass in kwa one don. Glass in kwa one don at the YouTube. Blogger be any who I share na minim so be and share na me fa kwasi akwa share one show the people are going to watch because me no odo Ghana for the mama no at the same odo na me wo ma Ghana kro no enti nipa kakra bi na mo politicians ama musika na mo ba be ko ama mo no emfa o the country first o emfa o kwasi ani mu ye koto V8 no politician ne ma na ekodam anya ordinary Ghana ni autobo float okwa ho on what you are, and we are carrying the chaff and so kuno. Until you know, or no, what I can be. Omni perform my show of what a show of one equa enjoy. And ya ordinary mamma on no tone be dear, and equa enjoy be. Until you are not tone be dear, your tone and card, your tone toast, your tone generate, your tone channel. On the nice support to me, you. The honor bread and send when you scalp man back to school and the banner cotton and foot room. On the support to me, you. Anya di ono no yakodi ne na kwatena Dubai ama ode na show for ma kwachicha picture o chinchim ne to akire Ghana fo ono omudo do esen a show for Ghana omudo do esen no the people who voted for you are the people who are suffering and they are the people I'm fighting for obi anto abama me but I'm trying anything in my power to waste my energy sa me waste ka me hu dia me fanje sa me ka metima kwhye club bi na me chile romu awia nyina club ya adwuma hu metimi akwese se amaya begu me no mo de o mo say massage me honam na me feel but I said no, let me use this opportunity to say something to encourage my people and then press the Emirates leaders. Me press you hard na mo nyina mbe di machi ne press you hard o mbe wies kan kura wo ni bibi kakra magana for me to me hia hwe tie de me kan yo me hia obi a who kote I don't need anything from you. Who ma me na me hia bi me pese okofa ya jikwa so akromfo kuno. O of an America che o say me pese okofa nkran kwan so a onkonya accident nkowu. ene ya me no ka say accident esi nipa be 15 omu nyina santan omu wu afri wi ase kwa omu na me pese omu abra bokoye na ensin na esum parliament no omu ba police motor be 15 di akire pam cars ni na Africa kwanum na kwan na da ho ono oba na o space otimi fa ba bia because ye pam mu nyina Africa kwa mu nyina mo ye moa mo sorry free o sa jimi nyina ba kroma me hu bi da president ebo di the traffic so eso ano okọ wa hu na emergency fire service ana obi na yare ambulance na yede ne ko say minister president say oba wa ebi si o me hu bi da I don't know me wan le chini chair me I don't do anything me manya scan awie me nya hwe me nam keke ana me chile sa it is what it is. I don't care about what you think. Me, I'm not here for any party. I'm from Jimmy Nko. Ya brewa for mu masa. Kwasiafo NDC ni MPP o ma betena so for so many years. Nyina anya kwasiafo. Akofo na ne hope we onimu. Ono so buy say we hopeless prache. Omo a ne anim so we hopeless no. So I na meche no. Eti mesra mo obi afa ni Jimmy Nko kura na me humani. Why? Na me share obi bia so tie no kra. Life is good in heaven on earth. MPP for no graduate Akufo-Addo, but mun timi kan no cause the bibini wa Jimmy ono as long as ono MPP ni there on mechanic credit da challenge a glass nkwa wa Jimmy on timi ono ne ho kire no ba on timi kan asiampan ni tamani edi mahama atem no na mo ho denden na mahama nye o anti kasa na gina na mo di na atem na kam di adi Akufo-Addo nso atem na fe wa hu se di oye nam ko be na na wo ya de na yire ho onu abasa na onim se ebia ye no ne ye tan no magime no mo kwa mo be na mo ka che Akufo-Addo tipase wo nya hwe ne yin se mama na ajimba wo kra no wo ya che no am ka cho the glass nkwa boys na emia Lamborghini no boys na emia Lamborghini mo yesi mu wu a mo koduru ha bia mo betwi mo de wa mesira mo nipa na emia wai boys na emia Lamborghini yeah Lamborghini na boys ni mi ano me ni mu sia wai na me share obi bia so tie no kwe na boys ni mi a wo hudu no Lamborghini no mde ko the system is working 24/7 bye bye.